So I'm going to unbox this facial gun today. So it basically helps to enhance the blood circulation and improve the health of soft tissues, and it also has many other benefits. So this gun I bought it from Amazon. So it comes with 6 variable frequency vibration. So as you can see, this product is made from China, so it's a very good product. So let me open it up for you. It is this way. This way. So here we have the product manual over here, and this is the main gun which comes in it. It basically has 6 vibrations. So the first level 1 is of 2100 rpm, this one. Then the second one is of 2400 rpm. Then the third one is of 2700, and followed by 3000 and 3300 and 3600. So after this it just goes off. So okay, so this is the main part. So after this we have over here the U head, which is for the vertebrae. You can see over here it's mostly used for the vertebrae. Then the ball head over here, so this is mostly used for the large muscles. Then this is the big mother finger type head. Okay, so this one, as you can see. Then this is the small rounded head, which is mostly used for joints, this one. Okay, then this one is the small flat head, this one. It is mostly used for most of the parts of the body. Okay, then we have the flat knife type, this one over here. And over here we have the tetragonal type, this one. And this also comes with a adapter or a charger, this one. Okay, so after using this product for one day, I am mostly satisfied by 3 of this. As you can see, the ball head type, and the flat head with a small round, and the small flat head over here. Okay, so this one is mostly used for the large muscles, as you can see. I'm going to just demonstrate over here. So this one I have already inserted it into the socket. So this one helps to really relax the muscles over here. This one, as you can see, you can use it in sideways, or you can also use it in straight manner. So this one's very useful. You can use it on your large muscles. I can show you the other one as well. So this one, as you can see, so this one over here, it really helps you to relax the muscles. It also helps in great amount of blood circulation. So this one is really helpful over here, as you can see. So if you want to increase the pressure, you can press this with 3300. So this is the highest one I've used. Okay, so I really find this product very useful, because after a lot of tiring work you can use it without much stress and other stuff. You just need to charge it with an adapter. So this is the product. There's all the parts that comes with it. So I bought this from Amazon for £24 something. So okay, so hope you guys like the video and buy the product from Amazon. If you want, I can share the link in the description below. Thank you guys, have a good day.